Hi, so in this session I want to go through factors and multiples. So let's just start with the number 12. Now if I want to find the factors of 12, the factors of 12 are numbers that multiply together to give me 12. So the numbers that multiply together to give me 12, if we start with 1, 1 times 12 gives me 12, 2 times 6 gives me 12, 3 times 4 gives me 12. I can't continue on because once I get to 4, it's 4 times 3, so I'm back to the beginning. So the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. So you'll notice that the factors of 12 are numbers that are smaller than 12 or equal to 12. So less than or equal to 12. Now the multiples of 12 are all the numbers that 12 goes into. So if we start from the bottom, 12 times 1 is 12, 12 times 2 is 24, 12 times 3 is 36, 12 times 4 is 48, 12 times 5 is 54, 12 times 4 is 60. But what you'll notice is this will continue on at infinitum, so for infinity. There are an infinity number of multiples of 12. But what you'll notice about them all, they're all greater than or equal to the number 12. So that's our factors. Factors, less than 12, multiples, greater than 12. So how does this work? If we're asking to find the highest common factor of two numbers, so let's ask for the highest common factor between the numbers 8 and 12. So the name says it all. The highest, so we're looking for the highest number that is common to both, and it's a factor. So let's start with the factors of 8. We've got 1 times 8. We have 2 times 4. And then 3 doesn't go into 8, and then we're at 4, and we go around. So let's look at the factors of 12. Now we already did those up the top of the page, so the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. So now we have the factor part. So what is what are the common factors? The common factors are 1, 2, there's no 3 that's common, 4 is common, 6 is not common, 8 is not common, and 12 is not common. So they're only common if they occur in both sets of factors. And you can see now that 4 is the highest number that is common to both. So 4 is the highest common factor of 8 and 12. So that's highest common factor. The other thing that you'll often be asked to find is the lowest common multiple. So as we did before, multiples multiply out. So let's look for the lowest common multiple of 8 and 12. Now we used this to find the lowest common denominator when we were doing fractions. So the multiples, there's two ways to do this. So let's start with the multiples of 8. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72. And the multiples of 12 are 12, 24, 36, 48, and 60, 72. And the 72s are the same. Now you can go through this list pretty easily and see that these are all multiples. So we're looking for the common multiples. So if we start from the beginning, this is common, 72 is common. But we're looking for the lowest number that is common and a multiple. So in this case, the lowest common multiple is 24. Okay, so that's one way of working lowest common multiple out. The other way to find lowest common multiple is to take your numbers in question, so 8 and 12. If we multiply those together, it equals 72. And we know that that is a common multiple, but it's not the lowest. To find the lowest, we then divide that by the highest common factor. And we did that in the previous question. The highest common factor is 4. And if we divide 72 by 4, we get 24. That's two ways of finding the lowest common multiple of 8 and 12. Alright, good luck with that.